Hi, it's Ray Mills. In this brief video, I'm going to talk about the Setup tab in my Customer Manager invoice and customer management tool. So, when I talked about it through the brief walkthrough, I really didn't get into any detail. There's not a lot here, but I need to at least discuss so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so the first step in using my tool is to load your company in here. This is the billing company, the company that the bill is coming from. It's your company. So, let's just go through Russo's Pest Control Emergency Services, our specialty, their address, Walnut Street, Wayne, PA, 19056, a phone number, an email, a website, and then the contact name. You know, that's who they can speak to. So you load your data here, and let's just say contact John Russo, John or Bob Russo. Let's change this. John or Bob Russo. Okay, update. So that's updated. So simple enough, right? And you could go through and add everything just as you like. Now, what I talked about is how this is what populates the top of your form, of your invoice. So let's go over to the customer maintenance, and we have 95 customers for this sample. And I want to go to customer 2, and I'm going to create an invoice. Now let's go to customer 3. No notes. Okay, so Roberts. So we did something for Roberts Outmore, and it looks like I don't know if they have anything out there, but we'll find out. So let's just go over and see if they owe us any money. Yes, they do, and we treat them for rats. Oh, did a rat treatment. Okay, but let's just say we did another follow-up treatment. How about that? Or how about insect? It doesn't really matter. So let's create an invoice for these guys, and we say let's do this simple. My favorite, G's clean, and it should create an invoice, and there it is. Roberts Outboard Motors. There you go. 14 Watkins Drive. Did all his stuff, right? And we're just going to add something, insert. It doesn't really matter, just a demo. And add to invoice. Okay, it's done. So you see here that I talked about how it populates the top, being the setup portion, is where all the data is reserved for defining our company, right? Emergency services, our specialty. So that's why we have this setup here. And you could tweak that as you like, right? Just so very simple. You add your data here, and it will be available to automatically populate your invoices. And I'll be having brief videos on each one of these tabs to explain how they work. Some are more complicated than others. This is a very simple one. So consider my customer management tool. Thanks.